In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to follow a shop. This quick walkthrough will help you keep track of your favorite creators so you never miss new items or restocks. Following a shop is like bookmarking a seller you love. It organizes your browsing and brings their latest products to you. Start by heading to Etsy's homepage. Open your browser and go to Etsy. You'll land on a page filled with featured categories and recommendations. Take a moment to browse or use the search bar at the top if you already have something in mind. The idea here is simple. You need to open any product listing from the shop you want to follow. Click on an item that catches your eye. It could be something you consider buying, or just a design that shows off the shop's style. This opens the item's listing page, where you'll see photos, the price, and details about the product. You don't have to add it to your cart. Just being on the listing page is enough to access the shop's information. Now scroll below the main item details to find the seller's section. Look for the shop's name and logo. This is usually in a panel that highlights the shop, often alongside ratings and a short description. In this area, you'll see a button labeled Follow Shop. Click that button. When you do, Etsy confirms that you're now following the shop. The button may change to show that you're following, and you may see a brief confirmation message. If a small confirmation window appears, simply click Done to close it. That doesn't undo the action. It just dismisses the message and takes you back to the listing. From this point on, the shop is added to your followed list, and you'll be more likely to see their items surfaced when you're browsing on Etsy. A couple of tips to keep in mind. Following is connected to your Etsy account, so Etsy may ask you to be logged in for the follow to stick. If you don't see the Follow Shop button right away, scroll a bit further, or expand the shop info section on the listing page. Also, following a shop is different from favoriting an item. Favorites save individual products, while following keeps you connected to the entire shop. That's all there is to it. Go to Etsy, open a listing from a shop you like, scroll to the seller's details, click Follow Shop, and then click Done if you see the confirmation. Enjoy discovering new creators and have fun curating a shopping experience tailored to your taste.